Thanks.
What's wrong?
Alex should have been back by now.
Help! Help!
It's Dr. Whitman.
Jonah, help!
How many are there?
I don't know.
Are you hurt?
Not going to see anyone.
Must have scared them off. Feel like I've run for miles.
And you've barely broken a sweat.
Must be fitter than I thought.
You could have led them straight to us, like you did back at the palace.
What?
That's not how it was, Lara. They caught me while you were getting Sam.
What the hell's this about?
They said it was the only way they'd let you and the others live. I tried to warn you.
We don't have time for this. Look, I don't know what the problem is between the two of you, and to tell you the truth, I don't much care.
I was only hoping
Look, another word, and I swear to God, I'll start smashing that expensive dentistry of yours.
Stop. If we fight amongst ourselves, then we lose.
You're right. Which is why this is not happening, okay?
I'm going after Alex. Where were the tools?
The engine room. Look, he can take care of himself, Lara.
Good. Then we'll be back soon.
Lara, wait. Here, take this bow. I've been saving it for you ever since I found it. It's powerful. It can shoot an arrow into almost anything.
Thank you, Jonah.
Lara, the Endurance is beached on the other side of those cliffs. You can probably use that new bow to make your way there. Maybe on those rocks across from the dock.
Okay, Reyes, I'm getting close to the Endurance. What do you need exactly?
Alex, we were getting worried. I'm gonna need a breaker bar and the rest of my kit. I can't fix this boat without them.
All right, I'm on it.
Lara is heading away. You should wait for her.
Lara? No, I got this. I'm heading in. Going radio silent.
Alex, what are you doing?
can do it. What the hell are we gonna do? The survivors!
Damn, can't do that yet. There's the Endurance. They're tearing it apart.
That should do it. Alright, try now. This is a waste of time. How many generators is this? What the hell are they using them for? Doesn't matter. They put in the orders, we fill. No questions asked. But we already shipped up all those portables last week. Are they powering fucking stadium lights? Right. Don't talk like this. Keep it steady. We're bringing it up. What do you think's going on up at the palace? All that smoke left over now. If there was a problem, they'd call down. But what about the radio? Nothing. Not your fucking brother! I'm sick of this place! What the? Need some help! Get down here! We have an intruder! fucking blow! Let's see if we can get around him! Moving in! God damn you! Eat this! Down, down! Fire! Is she still keep your eyes open? Take this! We got her! Time to burn! I got I got something for you!
Alex, what kind of trouble have you gotten yourself into?
Let me try.
Damn, this unstable shit. On. You two, on. Go restack that cargo for transport after you finish with that.
It won't budge.
Out of the way. I got this. What is this?
I'll show you what this little rat can do!
Come here, little rat. I want to kill you.
Die, you son of a bitch! here again. So much has happened.
Where's the rest of the crew? Down below. They went after a survivor.
You found someone alive?
Yeah. We caught him in the water sneaking aboard. But he escaped below.
The ship is starting to go down. Why did...
Are you in here?
Lara! I'm down here! Come on! Come on! Ah! God damn it! Out! Fuck!
Alex!
Lara! What are you doing here?
What's going on? Are you alright?
I've been down in here!
No! Damn it, the door's blocked. Just hold on. I'm going to get you out of there.
Okay, just hurry.
Damn it. The track's blocked. If I could get up there somehow, I might be able to clear it.
Check the ceiling. There should be an access hatch for the crawl. Lara, I'm sorry for dragging you into this mess. I don't know what I was thinking. Coming out here. I thought I could be the star of my own goddamn action. It always worked out. Oh, God. Lara.
Okay, got it.
Great.
Alex! Alex! Oh, God, I've got to get in there. Alex! I'll have you out of there soon. All right. Now I'm feeling right.
Finally, I impressed you.
Let's get you out of here.
Oh, God!
Oh, sorry.
Well, it looks like my dance career is over.
What are you doing? You'll kill us!
I'm not gonna make it out of here, Lara. Take the tools.
Not without you!
How often does a guy like me get to be a hero? No one around! The others are counting on us. Go! Now!
Old logbooks.
Months of excavation has at last yielded new...
Ancient ruins in the old base. Control over the storms. I need answers.